Remember the sound of the school bell? From the first day of kindergarten, our brains are wired for one thing: compliance. Follow the rules, study the textbook, pass the test, get the A. We were trained to be excellent employees, but we were never taught how to be successful. We were taught how to earn money. We were never taught the mindset of those who create wealth. There is a secret mindset of the successful and the rich, and it's not a secret because they're hiding it. It's a secret because it is so fundamentally different from everything we learn in school that most people never even see it. In this video, we're going to deconstruct the 3 core psychological shifts of the rich mindset, the mental operating system that school will never, ever teach you. Before we start the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any insightful content from Aidil Mindset. Here we learn together about personal growth, motivation, personal finance, and investing, helping you become the best version of yourself. Without further ado, let's get into it. The entire school system is designed to create a good employee. What is an employee? Someone who trades their time for money. You get paid for the hours you work. This is active income. The problem? There are only 24 hours in a day. Your income is permanently capped by your time. This is the safe path school promotes. The rich mindset is not focused on income. It is obsessed with assets. An asset is not just a stock or a house. An asset is a system that makes money for you while you are not actively working. It could be a business you build, a piece of software you code, a book you write, or an investment that pays you. The psychological shift is profound. You stop asking, how many hours do I have to work? And you start asking, how can I build a system that works for me? You stop selling your time and you start buying back your time. What happens in school when you get an F? It's a permanent mark. It's shame. It's the end of the line for that subject. We are trained for 12 years that failure is a final verdict on our ability. We become terrified of being wrong. This mindset is poison for success. In the real world, in business, in investing, failure is not a verdict. It is data. The rich mind test understands that you cannot succeed without failing. Every no is information. Every failed product is market research. Thomas Edison didn't fail 1,000 times. He successfully discovered 1,000 ways not to build a light bulb. The psychological shift is this: the school mindset is afraid to try for fear of being wrong. The rich mindset is afraid not to try for fear of never learning. They have a high tolerance for risk because they don't see failure as an identity, they see it as iteration. School asks you, what do you want to be? A doctor, a lawyer, a programmer. It teaches you to become a deep expert in one thing, to be the smartest, most skilled person in the room. This is the path to a high-paying job. The rich mindset doesn't ask what do I want to be, it asks what do I want to build. And to build something big, you don't have to be the best at everything. You have to be the best at organizing the best. This is leverage. The successful entrepreneur doesn't know how to code the software. They hire the best coder. They don't know the law. They hire the best lawyer. They don't know marketing. They hire the best marketer. The psychological shift is massive. School teaches you to be the best cog in the machine. The rich mindset teaches you to own the machine. It's a shift from doing all the work to leveraging other people's time and other people's expertise. The secret, then, is not a mystical law of attraction. It is a fundamental psychological rewiring. You have to unlearn what school taught you. Shift your focus from earning to owning. Shift your view of failure from a verdict to data, and shift your strategy from specialization to leverage. This is the mindset that builds wealth, and it is the most valuable lesson you will never be taught in a classroom. What's the biggest lesson school failed to teach you about success? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If this changed your perspective, hit like to support the channel and subscribe to Aidil Mindset for more. Thank you for watching.